me, Veronica, and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a quick one. I just wanted to share with you guys the new backpack purse that I got. I did purchase another one from the same company. Company is called Cluci. They have their brand embossed in the front. But this is a different style one from the last one that I purchased. And the reason why I purchased from the same company off of Amazon was because I fell in love with that bag. I just wanted it in a different color. I feel like the other color was more suited for fall, and I just wanted a different color. So when I saw that they had this color but in a different style, I was kind of like going back and forth on whether or not I actually would like this style, but turns out I really love this. The color, everything about this bag. So if you are interested in watching my review and how I have this bag packed up, then stay tuned. Okay, like I said, this brand is called Cluci. I believe that's how you pronounce this. It's C-L-U-C-I. But this is a backpack purse. I love these bags for their versatility. You're able to wear a backpack style, or you're able to carry it over the shoulder because it comes with a messenger strap or a shoulder strap. This is not long enough to wear crossbody, but you're just able to wear it over the shoulder. The backpack straps are adjustable. I absolutely love this color. This color is stunning, and I feel like this lighting does not do it, or this camera does not do it any justice. It is so gorgeous. The only thing that I can compare it to is probably a Michael Kors bag that's very similar to this in this color called Oxblood. So if you ever had or seen that purse, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about and how gorgeous this color is. This color is called Oil Wax Red Wine, and the oil wax is just a material. It's just a shiny vegan leather. So let's get into the bag. Like I said, it comes with messenger straps that you can take off. They are not adjustable, but you can take off. I'm gonna take this off. This is the same charm that I had on my old bag, but I just loved how it goes with this color. I think it's just so gorgeous. So in the front of the bag, you have this little pocket, and it's not very spacious, but you can keep small easy to grab items in there. Like right now I just have 2 pens. I have my my cloth that I use to wipe my glasses, an iPhone adapter so that I can listen to music while I'm in the car. That's all I keep in there, just small items. What I really like about this is how it opens. The opening is actually in the back of the bag. So this would be a great bag for travel. And the zippers are so buttery smooth, way better than the ones on my other bag. So it has this U-shaped opening, and when you open it, it's like that. I love this bag because it's more structured than the other bag that I have. It's like, the other bag was like kind of slouchy. I still love it. Like, that's my favorite bag, but I do like how this has a little bit more structure. And this is how I have it packed. I did forget to mention that it does come with 2 bottle pockets. They are a lot smaller than the one from the other bag. I'm not sure how many ounces this is. I got it from Walmart. It's the same brand as the water bottle that I had before. It's TAL. This is just so pretty. This fits in there. I don't think anything thicker than this would fit in these bottle pockets, so just keep that in mind. So this is how I have it packed. Right here I have a medium itsy ritzy packing cube with a ton of stuff in it, like so much stuff. I have snacks in here to bribe the kids. I have my pen pouch. I have hand sanitizer, lotion, everything. But what I really love about these packing cubes, look how gorgeous it is with this color. Like, so super pretty. And I'm able to stack everything up nice and neat, so that's what I like. I have my wallet that's currently broke. I'm waiting for my other one in the mail. I have my small itsy ritzy packing cube with the same stuff that I had the last time. And I have my new planner that I franken planned. And if you guys will want to see a video of how I have my new planner set up, please let me know in the comments below, or like this video so that I can show you guys how I have this new planner set up, because it's super cute and I'm so proud of myself. And the inside, it does have 2 pockets. It has 1 slip pocket and 1 zipper pocket. In the slip pocket, I have this mini journal that I carry with me to just write some stuff down. And in this zippered pocket, I have some coupons that I got last night at the grocery store. and that is it. So this is how the bag looks empty. It has a lot more structure than the first bag, and I feel like the fabric is like more tight, if that makes any sense. The fabric in my other bag was loose and it kept getting caught on the zippers, which I knew it was going to happen. But this one is really tight, and I feel like the zippers are nicely reinforced. This bag style currently comes in about 16 or 17 different colors and finishes. Like I said, this finish is called oil wax. That's the reason why it's like more shiny, but there's other finishes. There's two-tone finishes. So many gorgeous colors that come in this bag. So if you're looking for something that's versatile, that you can take with you as like a travel bag, kind of like a carry-on, keep your personal items in there, I would highly recommend this bag, because I really wanted to use this for school, but it's just not, it's not tall enough. It's wide enough to fit everything, but it's just not tall enough to fit everything. I squeezed my 3-ring binder in there, and then when I tried to take it out, I thought I was gonna like rip the bag. I hope you guys liked my review. Absolutely love this bag. I highly recommend it. And if you want some more videos and more reviews, make sure you click subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.